Hello everyone, my name is Tyler Davis and this is RAM News. Today's trivia question is, how many dominoes are there in one set? Tomorrow will be the 4th day of our Homecoming Spirit Week. The theme will be Generations Day. Freshmen dress as babies, sophomores dress as toddlers, juniors dress as adults, and seniors dress as senior citizens. Staff will be dressed up as Beyond the Grave. Meanwhile, here are a few pictures from yesterday's Spirit Day. Congratulations to our Kiltie Band for earning superiors in each category at Marching MPA last Saturday night. This achievement marks the band's 63rd year in a row of earning superior ratings. The choir is wrapping up their annual holiday wreath sale. In case you have not been approached by any of our students but would like to support them, please see the graphic on screen. As a final reminder to all IB juniors and seniors, the IB pinning ceremony is taking place today. Please make sure to report in the cafeteria by 5:30 p.m. Today, seniors will be pulled out of their 3rd periods and juniors will be pulled out of their 8th periods for pinning practice in the RPAC. Another reminder, this time to all seniors, the cap and gown assembly will be held in the RPAC tomorrow during 7th period. And as a final reminder to all seniors, Prestige Portraits would like to get the Unphotographed Seniors scheduled for our campus dates or the Tampa or Bradenton studios before they close for the season. Seniors can schedule by calling 1-800-292-3715 and choosing option 2 followed by option 1 to speak with Leigh Ann, or they can use the link prestigeportraits.com. For those interested, Jenna Thiel from the Education Foundation is back in the Student Success Center today. All important future dates regarding the visits are listed on screen. Reminder to all clubs and organizations, the next Student Council meeting is occurring today in Ms. Quinn's room 5347. It goes from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m., so please make sure that at least one member of your club attends. Today's trivia question was, how many dominoes are there in one set? The answer is 28 pieces, although some sets use up to 91 pieces. With that being said, that's all for now and have a good day.